So look how cute these puppies are, first of all. And welcome back, my beautiful sister.
I loved coming back, especially if there are puppies to hold and cuddle.
So we have two Cavapoo sisters. This one's Maddie.
And I have Taya.
And they are just adorable. I think they're 6 weeks old. It's funny when they get put in front of the camera, it's like they just like chill. Like,
look at how sweet.
Look
how cute.
They're
so
adorable.
cute. Hi.
Hi, and welcome back to Miss Kate Cuttables YouTube channel. Today, if you haven't figured out, we're doing a Halloween theme. So we wanted to show you a quilt that we made for our mother. She helped us too. I guess we didn't make it for her.
Yeah, it was a group effort, but it was so much fun.
It was so fun.
Remember how last time I talked about how much I loved Halloween? Can you tell?
We love Halloween. I know it's still August, but you know,
yeah,
that's okay. So we made this quilt with some of them, not all of them, because we kind of traded with some friends and stuff too, but with some Miss Kate Cuttables SVGs.
Mm-hmm.
So we wanted to show you that you can make them like out of fabric, not just paper. So,
which is so cool because, you know, I've done other projects before where I've done kind of the applique work, and I've designed it myself like by hand, and I made a pattern and all of this stuff. But that is why this is so much fun, because you can.
It's so much easier.
Yeah, and you can cut it out and make multiple of the same shape or what. It's so much.
Yeah. So when we did
amazing.
this, I think, how many did we make? 7.
Yeah, we cut out because there were 7 in the group. So we did 7, and each of us did 2 or 3 different designs. But
so when we were like working on it, my mom and her best friend and us two went to Las Vegas for a week. Mm-hmm. We like left the condo maybe like 3 times to go get food. The rest of the time we sewed and ironed.
Lifetime shows.
My mom and her friend wanted to watch Lifetime movies the whole time, and they turned up to like volume 75. So it was fun,
yes.
But our ears hurt after a while.
Yeah.
We need to do it again. We actually did a Christmas quilt. We went to Park City for a week, and that was super fun too. So
we'll have to do Christmas. We'll show off Christmas.
Yeah, we'll do Christmas.
Halloween's closer.
Okay. So we were gonna show you some of these. So this is a witch cauldron. Now all of these are just cut out with the Cricut. I actually used a Brother scan and cut because the Cricut Maker wasn't out yet, but I'm going to show you how to do it on the Cricut today. So these are the witch shoes, and this is what I'm going to show you. I'm just going to cut them out today. We actually sew them to Pellon and then turn them inside out, and then you iron it down, and then you stitch around. They're just so versatile.
I know. Paper and fabric.
The SVGs, you kind of have to manipulate a little bit, and I think if you're a quilter, you would know how to do that. You just kind of, like for this application, you just have to make it a little bit thicker because you're using 1/8 of an inch around the entire thing. So I have the files that I made for this quilt, I'm going to have available for you guys.
It is the cutest thing put together. I love it. Like, it is so cute.
So this one's our mom's. We both did one too, but neither one of ours is finished.
Obviously these are pretty much as far along as we've gotten.
I haven't even really stitched any of mine yet, which is really sad because this was like
a couple years ago. But yeah, I mean, it'll be fun to be able to have these on our own quilt someday. But yeah, this is our mom's. But it is cute.
She was our number one priority, so we
had to get
all of
done,
these for her because she just was not going to do that.
We stitched for her, and
she actually cut all these squares out.
We all had a part. She cut, ironed. She did a lot.
Yeah.
We just
stitched
sewed and
for her.
stitched.
I already cut out these witch's feet, which is they're thicker around the edges for the 1/8 of an inch. Pull out my Cricut Maker and we are going to cut out the other files.
Okay.
So let's open my laptop here. Okay, so I already cut out the witch's feet, and I'm cutting them out. We did a 12 by 12 fabric piece.
Yeah.
But then we made them a little bit smaller because you have to sew around the edges.
Yeah.
So this is kind of roughly the same size as we did. Now we are going to cut out the legs.
Okay.
And
She's got cute striped tights on, so.
We are using the striped. So use the fabric mat, of course, for the Cricut Maker. Last time I did use the Brother Scan and Cut, but this Cricut Maker is awesome.
That is so fun.
Okay, so we are going to put this in. Super easy. And click cut. Okay, watch this, it's crazy.
Oh, my word, that's so cool.
So we've got
There you go.
a witch leg and another witch leg.
How cute. I think we're backwards. Let's get our shoes the right way.
Okay, and then we are doing the bows in purple because I didn't have any green fabric left over. I love purple for Halloween. Okay, and since I'm just doing the same file, all I'm going to do is turn this over. Okay, so these are the bows that go on the witch's feet. We put some of these on black and white polka dot and some of them on white and black polka dot.
Yeah, we wanted it because we obviously the ghost needed to be on black.
Yeah. Some of them were needed to be on dark and some of them. So we put these ones on the white, so we're going to just show you here. Okay, so these are the files that I have for this quilt. If you guys want to go pick these up. Here's a cute werewolf.
I know, I love him.
A trick-or-treat bag, which this right here is embroidered on.
Yeah.
So that doesn't come with it, but you can add that if you would like. An owl, a Halloween owl in front of the moon. We have the word spooky with some eyeballs as O's. And we have pumpkin patch, a cat, a witch's broom, a cute vampire, and a witch. So if you want to try these, it's really not hard, it's just time consuming.
Yeah, I mean mainly it's just the different layers, but same thing, right? The
Yeah,
files
it's
with
just
the
like
SVG
SVGs.
files.
You just layer things on top. So comment down below if you guys have done anything like this, if you're going to try it, let us know. Send pictures if you have used them, like on Instagram, like hashtag Miss Kate Cuttables.
I'm curious as to what other quilters, if you've used the files, I'm curious to see what those projects have turned out to be like.
Yes, for sure. So comment down below if you liked this. Let us know what you think. Hit the like button. That certainly helps me out.
Subscribe.
Subscribe if you haven't done that. And stay tuned we're going to be making t-shirts for our upcoming Disneyland trip.
Oh.
So that shall be interesting. I don't really know because all my kids want like different things and different, anyway.
That is going to be so, or is it going to be iron?
Yeah, we're going to do like heat transfer. We will see you next time.
Okay.
See ya!